Foods one should have for healthy, germ-free teeth. You can use this healthy foods list to enhance your diet and the health of your oral health. When talking about the health of your teeth, you are what you eat. Sugary foods, such as candies and fizzy beverages, resulting in tooth decay. A healthy diet is important for good oral health. Nutrition has an immediate effect on your teeth and gums. Impoverished nutrition may result in tooth decay, cavities, and gum disease. Doctors have also associated oral diseases with diabetes, heart disease, stroke, and premature low-weight births. You can use this healthy foods list to enhance your diet and the health of your oral health. Cheese. If you're one of the many people who affirm a passion for cheese, you instantly have another explanation to relish this delicious food. A survey interprets that consuming cheese lifts the pH in the mouth and lowers the risk of tooth decay. It's believed that the chewing needed to chew cheese boosts saliva in the mouth. Cheese also includes calcium and protein, nutrients that provide strength to teeth. Leaf green vegetables. Leafy greens normally uncover their way onto any healthy diet plan. They're rich in vitamins and minerals while being low in calories. Leafy greens such as kale and spinach also improve oral health. They're high in calcium, which creates enamel on your teeth. Apples. While doctors recommend steering clear of most sweet foods, there are some exceptions. Fruits, such as apples, might be sweet, but also have high water and fiber content. Eating an apple generates saliva in your mouth, which rinses away bacteria and food grains. The fibrous composition of the fruit also promotes gum health. Eating an apple isn't equal to brushing your teeth with toothpaste that includes fluoride, but it can tide you over until you have an opportunity to brush. Yogurt. Similar to cheese, yogurt is rich in calcium and protein, which creates it to be an ideal choice for the strength and health of your teeth. The probiotics, or helpful bacteria, found in yogurt, moreover, benefit your gums because the good bacteria rinse out bacteria that induce cavities. If you choose to add more yogurt to your diet, preferably go for a plain variety with no added sugar. Carrots. Like apples, carrots are crunchy and rich in fiber. Eating several raw carrots after every meal raises saliva production in your mouth, which lessens your threat of cavities. Along with being rich in fiber, carrots are a considerable source of vitamin A top. A salad with a few slices of raw carrot, or enjoy some baby carrots on their own.